Let's start with the key players in this system. First, you have the solar panels themselves. They capture sunlight and convert it into DC, or direct current, electricity. But your home's appliances run on AC, or alternating current. That's where the inverter comes in. This device is the brain of the operation, converting the DC electricity from the panels into usable AC power for your home. From the inverter, the power flows to your home's electric panel, which distributes electricity to all your lights and outlets, just like it always has. Many modern systems also include a battery. This allows you to store any excess solar energy you generate during the day, so you can use it later when the sun isn't shining. Finally, you remain connected to the main electrical grid through a special meter. This meter is crucial because it can track power flowing in both directions, both from the grid to your house and from your house back to the grid.